Here's how to classify your payments made to your 1099 contractors. Okay, starting off, you're going to want to log on to QuickBooks. And then from here, we're going to want to hover over to the bank transactions and then go to the checking account where you've been paying all your contractors. And then we're going to look for the transactions. I see mine's right here. And then we're going to create the vendor for that person's full name, like so, with the first and last name. And then we're going to press save. And then we're going to go back to account. And then we're going to use this expense category called contract labor, okay? You would pretty much do this for all of your contractors. So let's say in a given month, right, you paid 5 different contractors. You would create the vendor category for those 5 different people with their full names. And you would still put it all under contractor payments for the expense category. Okay, and then once you're done with that, you can hover over to profit and loss, and you'll have an expense report ready for all of your contract labors and all the individuals that you paid throughout the year. Now, up until this point, you're pretty much good to go. You would pretty much send over the report to your accountant, and he would file the 1099s for you. However, if you do plan on filing the 1099s yourself, you want to hover over here to taxes, then 1099 filings. We're going to click on prep my own via QuickBooks. You're going to enter in all the necessary information as so, and then click on confirm info and start filing. Now it's going to take us to this page right here. You're going to want to click on select account. And then remember earlier I had us using contract labor as the expense category for all the transactions. You're going to want to type that in and use this. It's going to ask us for the 1099 types. Go ahead and click on this. And then now any vendor that has the contract labor on the expense category will be prompted into the next page. And then you would pretty much preview and then make sure all the vendors and their amounts were correct for the year. If you guys are looking for someone to do your books, feel free to hit us up or visit our website at householdbookkeeping.com.